Today I'm going to teach you how to do tips. In order to do tips, we have to be aware that tips and trebles are totally different things. So tips, you get 1 beat, treble, you get 2 beats. So a tip is really quick. It's just 1 beat, tip, and usually it's followed by a 2-3. So tip, 2-3, tip, 2-3. Watch how I hit the front leg out and then drop it down. I do not bring it back. So tip, 2-3. Push out, 2-3. Push out, 2-3. Push out, 2-3. And just so you're not confused, I'm going to do a tip 2-3 and then a treble 2-3, and you'll be able to see the difference. So a tip 2-3 looks like this. Tip 2-3, tip 2-3, tip 2-3. And to the side, tip 2-3, tip 2-3, tip 2-3. A treble 2-3, on the other hand, looks more like this. Treble 2-3, treble 2-3, treble 2-3. And to the side, treble 2-3, treble 2-3, treble 2-3. And as you advance, you will do tips and trebles all together. So if I'm going to do, I'll just put some tips and trebles into a step and you'll see the difference. Tip, tip, treble 2-3. Tip 2-3, tip, tip, treble 2-3, tip 2-3. Tip, tip, treble 2-3, tip 2-3. And that is tips and trebles.